Hello, everybody. Are you the person who's struggling with mock tests? Mock tests में marks नहीं आते. जितना भी पढ़ता हूँ सब waste हो जाता है. Are you one of them? Watch this video till the very end to get the solution. Now, most of the students who give their coaching mock tests and who are in 11th and 12th, especially, they score really less. The score ranges from 400, sometimes even 300, and till 500. Crossing 500 becomes a difficult thing, especially for the 11th graders. Why does this happen? Let's understand the psychology behind it. One thing is that initially the coaching makes a little tough test. Tough tests are made in the beginning so that they prepare you for the worst case scenario in the NEET examination, because easy questions you will be able to solve. Of course, I think so. So they are basically preparing your mindset and making you alert so that you don't take the things lightly, right? Because what happens, for example, it's May right now, and from May only, if your score is 600 plus, then you might be a little overconfident. You might think, NEET to mera hai, bahut easily crack ho jayega, but it doesn't work like this. You need to study consistently for 2 years and analyze the test from time to time so that your score improves. Number one, 340 plus should be your target in biology in every single test. I repeat, if any question is coming out of NCERT, then skip that question and do not pay attention to it. Because in NEET, 100% NCERT is covered. And if thoda bahut bahar se, if it's asked, then it's highly easy. 100% NCERT and all the tougher questions will be from NCERT. You need to understand that. So let's say you're getting 330 in bio in almost all the tests. So in physics chemistry के total में, if you want to reach even 500, you just need 170 marks, which means 85 each. इतने तो lecture करने से ही आ जाता है marks. So overall what I'm trying to say is 500 marks is very easy in every mock test. क्या करना है? NCERT करनी है, notes करना है, revision करना है. You do this 500, you will touch very easily. Read NCERT of all the 3 subjects. I repeat, physics में भी nowadays assertion reasoning questions आने लगे, statement based आने लगे, and you won't be able to solve them without NCERT. So please read NCERT in physics, especially points to ponder. Just a second. Points to ponder and summary. Please read at least these 2 things if you want to score very high. Next thing which must be remembered is the analysis. Now 90% of the students do not analyze it. हमें करना क्या है? Approach ध्यान रखो. सबसे पहले you need to make an error copy, an error register in which you are writing your mistake very clearly. I'll give you a very good example for that. Let's say range was asked. Let's say you are solving a question of motion in 2D. मैं बता रहा हूँ कि कैसे करना है एरर कॉपी में, तो ध्यान से सुनो. आपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया मोशन इन 2D का. लेट्स से प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन था. दे आस्क्ड यू टू फाइंड आउट द रेंज ऑफ समथिंग. सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेंज व्हिच इज u स्क्वायर sin 2 theta upon g. राइट, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेंज. एंड मैक्सिमम हाइट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? u स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 2g. राइट, एंड रेंज एंड मैक्सिमम हाइट का रिलेशन r tan theta is equals to 4h. These 3 things were asked. Now, for example, range was asked, and by mistake, what you did, you applied the wrong formula. You made the formula like this: u square sin 2 theta upon 2g करके you found out the answer. So your answer turned out to be wrong. So this is a silly mistake. तो कैसे करोगे? In your error notebook, let's say this is the top. Let's say test 4, question 1. Question 4, 1 में you'll write the question. You will say my marked answer. कि मैंने आंसर क्या मार्क किया था? Let's say I marked 2. Then you'll say correct answer. ये लिखोगे correct answer was let's say 4. Then you'll write the solution of it, detailed solution. ये करना ही पड़ेगा or else don't expect 600 plus. Write the correct solution and then write down mistake क्या थी. Mistake, wrong formula applied. This is how error copy has to be maintained for all the tests, for all the incorrect questions. After giving 20-30 tests, you will see a drastic change in your marks. क्या पता 650 plus तो cross कर जाओ. There's no doubt about that. We just need to be consistent with the error notebook. We need to note down all the questions of physics in it. भी गलत जा रहा है, जैसा भी जा रहा है, डिफरेंशिएशन गलत हो रहा है, तो लिखो डिफरेंशिएशन में कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक. Write it down in your error notebook. This is how you can improve your score. There's no way. Bio में क्या करना है? Very important thing. Let's say you got a question wrong from cell cycle and cell division. From cell cycle and cell division, let's say there was a question, I'm making a hypothetical question, that in which phase of meiosis 1 recombinase enzyme is used. So options आपको मिले हैं, your zygotine, acetine, diplotin, diakinesis. Let's say you forgot it and तुमने mark कर दिया diplotin. Answer was pachytene, because in pachytene, recombinase enzyme is used where recombination takes place, exchange of the genetic material. तो क्या करना है, जो NCERT होगी मेरी cell cycle cell division की, NCERT of cell cycle and cell division, where this thing is written, you will use a highlighter and put a very big circle and likhna error. Do this, and the next day read that thing. Read that particular thing the next day so that the mistake doesn't happen. This has to be done for all the chapters. Let's say in fungi from biological classification, you made a silly mistake. Okay, what should I say? Your dikaryon stage is present in which two fungi? So the answer is ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. By mistake, let's say you did phycomycetes. So क्या करना है? NCERT में उसको circle करना है. Circle that in NCERT. Very important. In physical chemistry, remember, you have to follow physics kind of strategy. In organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, you have to follow bio kind of strategy for test analysis. ये NCERT में mark कर रहे हैं, error copy नहीं बनाएंगे. Which reaction you're forgetting? Your reaction sheets should be ready if you're a class 12 grader, please. Or if you're a dropper, your trend sheet should be ready if you are preparing for NEET. It's very, very important. And test score can only be boosted after doing it. There's no other way you can boost your test score. Expected score if you want to cross 600. Let's say कि अब decide कर ही ले कि 600 तो cross करना है. 340 target करो bio में. Chemistry में go till 140 and physics में 120. This will, I think, lead to 600. यहाँ तक touch हो गया तो इतना तो target कर ही लो. Then keep on increasing. 120 को 130, then 140, then 150. Do it. 340 को 345, 350, 140 को 150, then 160, and so on and so forth. Try improving your score. Struggle every single day. Identify the weaker areas. Identify weak topics from the chapters. Weak topics from every chapter. And क्या करना है? Solve 10 to 15 questions from those topics. You will see a very big change. Very important thing. Solve a lot of questions from these topics. Definitely you will see a change. Let's say मुझे पता चल गया कि molecular orbital theory in chemical bonding is very weak of mind. मुझे यही नहीं पता कि up to nitrogen क्या हो रहा है, then oxygen के बाद क्या हो रहा है, कि पहले sigma 2pz आ रहा है या फिर pi 2px and pi 2py. I'm not able to understand that. Here pi 2px, pi 2py पहले आ रहा है, sigma 2pz. So I'm making the silly mistakes. I'm not able to calculate the bond order. So revise your notes, एक और बार lecture देख लो and practice minimum 15 questions from it. Automatically you will develop the better understanding. Definitely, it's tried and tested, this methodology. Okay, so identification of weaker areas becomes important. NCERT को रोज पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है. In the evening, read NCERT. Before sleeping, read NCERT. NCERT has to be read every single day. There is no alternative. And अगर bio का कोई theory based question, if you're getting wrong, then it's a very bad thing. Let's say there's the memorization based question कि conidia वाले structures हैं, तो ये asexual spores, they are of which fungi? So if you don't know, then what's the meaning? It's fact based, na? So at least ensure that all your fact based questions are going correct. Fact based must be correct. Please ensure. Conceptual, numericals and silly mistakes, it's fine, but fact based must be correct. Another important aspect is that in physics, try solving more and more questions. Variety should be there. And multiple times try solving those questions. Multiple times. कि मॉड्यूल में जो नए सॉल्व कर रहे हैं उनको आई एम सर्कलिंग एंड आई एम सॉल्विंग देम अगेन on the fourth day or on the seventh day as per 147 rule. I have already told you the 147 rule in my previous video, so please just go through it if you are unclear about it. And the last thing that I'd like to say is health should be prioritized, sleep should be prioritized, and motivation should be high. Motivation to study should not be lost. Okay, these three things. Health ke liye we need nutritious food. Then for sleep you need 7 hours, and for motivation you need NEET. Okay, yeah, my videos you can watch for that matter. So I hope this session helped you, and do like, share, and subscribe. Do let me know your test marks in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.